Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I'm still digging out from vacation and I'm going to show you some items I purchased with that Stitch Fix sale that was going on a couple weeks ago. They all came in from my vacation time and I am going to review them now so you can get an idea of what might interest you. Unfortunately, these are not on sale, but I'm sure they'll eventually go on sale again. I don't know if all of them, some of them might be on sale, but I will give you the links below so you can check them out, and I'll let you know the price I paid. Okay, so the first up is this Market and Spruce top. It's the Inez Sheer Dobby Peasant top. And it's sheer. I should have taken that from the name. It's a size extra small and is completely sheer. And, you know, it is quite boxy too. And honestly, I love light and airy tops for summer, but if I have to wear a shirt underneath, that kind of defeats the purpose. So I already know I'm going to be returning this. This is 99% cotton, 1% spandex. It is a nice, soft, airy material. But again, if I have to wear something underneath, I don't want it. All right, I will try it on for you to see if you might be interested in it. All right, next up, I got these Pajamas by Casabella. They are the Bella Sleep and Lounge Pima Cotton Short Sleeve Top and PJ Set. Light green, size extra small. All right, so let's see. I think this is, it says Pima Cotton. Are they really 100% cotton though? Let's look at the label here. 50% Pima cotton, 50% mold. They're super soft. I got an extra small, and honestly, in PJs, I do like to size up, but apparently I wasn't paying attention. The shorts are teeny tiny. I'm not sure if I'm gonna model these on for you. If they are really, really short, I'm probably not even gonna keep them. I will try them on, you know, and make that decision. Super, super soft material. Definitely will not be putting these in the dryer because it would shrink to nothingness. Super soft. And then the button down top, and it's like a light green and like a palm type of print. All right. And again, these were only $30.97, which for Casabella PJs is not bad and really nice material. I'm just a little bit worried that they're going to be too small. And that's my own fault, not Stitch Fix's fault. The next item is this English Factory top. This top is the white puff sleeve knit top, all right, by English Factory. So this part, I'll read you the fabric in a minute, but this is like a cotton poplin where this is like a knit, a rib knit, the body, and it has like a Henley style with buttons down the front and obviously puff sleeves. So let's see what this one is made out of. And it's a thick cotton too. So hand wash cold, do not bleach, do not tumble dry. Shell is 99% cotton, 2% spandex, and the combo, which I'm gonna assume is the sleeves, is 100% cotton. So this is a nice fabric and a nice quality top. I'll try it on, see how it looks, okay? Next up and last up is this French Connection top. For $43.97 is what I paid. It is like a dolman style with a banded bottom. Let me come closer so you can see the texturing on this, okay? Let's see. I don't think it's see-through. It's kind of like a vanilla-ish color, like kind of like that peachy, creamy kind of color. And let's see what the materials are. 100% viscose, machine wash cold, wash inside out, dry away from direct sunlight, wash with similar colors, do not steam, do not steam. Okay, that might be a deal breaker because what do you do then? Is it just wear it wrinkly? Okay, I'll give this a try. I did get that Faherty top similar in this color, so I don't know if I need two tops this color, especially because I know this color is not the best for my complexion, but I do like it. So I don't avoid completely any kind of color, but if I know something isn't really a great color on me, I must love it in order to keep it. All right, so give me a few minutes and I'll do a try-on. Okay, first up is this English Factory top. I'm just wearing a pair of loft shorts that I got a couple years ago, and I don't feel like changing. and I feel like being a bum. It's like 9,000 degrees outside with 1,000% humidity, and I am just not in the mood for dressing up. So this top is too small. It's like skin tight here around my stomach, and the sleeves or the elastic is kind of tight around my arm, and I don't think I've got particularly big arms. In general, I think this English factory kind of does run small, so I think I'm going to return this. This is definitely not a love. Here is the back of it. I even feel the length of it is on the shorter side. I mean, I can still raise my arms, but I would like it even a little bit longer. So this one is going to be returned. Again, this is English Factory. All right, give me a minute and I'm going to try on the next top. Okay, next up is this Market and Spruce top. This is a very soft cotton, very comfortable. It has 3/4 sleeves. It has the tie here at the top, which I typically don't tie and I leave untied. Really like the material of this shirt. I just wish it was a little thicker. This is a little bit too thin, and as you can see, it's see-through. I do not wear tops that are see-through that require another layer during the summer. I love light and airy tops. I just need a little bit more opaqueness here so you don't see through it. So I'm gonna come close because this does have like nice pattern running through it. All right, so you can see there's like different texture to it, and I really do like that about it. You know, and I would front tuck this to give it a little bit more shape. But yeah, I like this top, except for the fact that it's see-through. I think that for the price, it's not bad if you don't mind wearing a cami underneath, but for me, because of that, it's a no-go. I already have a top kind of similar to this, and I have to wear a cami with it. What I'm looking for are light and airy tops where I don't need that extra layer. All right, give me a minute. Up next is the French Connection. Okay, last one is the French Connection, and I do not like the way this one looks. This is a dolman, and it's just, I don't mind dolmans. As a matter of fact, some of them, when they're made right, look very good on me. This is not one of them. I just feel there's just too much material, looks too billowy on my stocky frame here. So this one is going back. I just don't like the style of it on me. There are, let's see, are the buttons working? Yes, there are working buttons here up and down the front, and it is an elasticized waist, which I generally do like. I just feel that it's just not coming in. There's just too much material here to make it look attractive on me. There is elastic on the sleeves, but they're not too tight, unlike the English Rose one. This one is fine. The material of this is not very soft. It's a little bit on the scratchy side. It's viscose, and if you recall, it said do not steam. So I'm not sure how you're supposed to get the wrinkles out if you're not drying it and you're not steaming it. All right, here's the back of it. And again, the material is not exactly soft. It's a little bit on the scratchy side. And this also has a nice texture too. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the texture. Okay, but yeah, this does not look flattering on me, in my opinion. All right, I'm going to try the pajamas on, but there's a good chance you're not going to see them. So give me a minute. Okay, pajamas for the win. They're a little short. A little snug. I mean, not like ridiculous. I mean, there's room around here on my leg and whatnot. You know, and again, a little short on the other hand, but I don't think they're obscene, and I think I can wear these as pajamas in my own house. Material is fantastic on this. Super soft. Really like the material. Generally, I don't like button downs because I find after a while the buttons don't stay closed, but these were $31, and I recently redid my styling pass for the year, so technically I'm not getting these for free, but my style pass is then applied against it. All right, I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the detail. All right, nice soft pajamas. Again, there's definitely room here on my legs, so it's not like they're squash tight, but I would have preferred these in a small. Next time I'll know. All right. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I do unboxings and try-ons, shopping hauls. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell. Take care, and until next time.